Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Wi-Fi connection not working problem on any Android phone. So let's get started. First, go to your phone's settings, then navigate to network reset settings. The location may vary depending on your phone model. So go to network reset settings and reset your network settings. Next, go to developer options. Now scroll down and find Wi-Fi scan throttling. If it is turned on, turn it off. Also find always keep mobile data on. If it's turned off, turn it on. After that, restart your device and check if the problem is solved. Hopefully this will fix the issue. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel.